Hello, my name is Frans Andla, and I talk about finance and business news and current affairs. I want to talk about the importance of staying in the market for investors who are starting out. I remember when I was back in 1986, I bought my first shares and went through the 87 crash and eventually showed a profit again after a year. Didn't sell it, kept the shares, but then I went and I used the money for something else. And over the years, I can remember there was also always an emergency or some reason why I'd end up selling my shares and using the money. And today, I regret it very much because if I had stayed in the market in some of the companies that I invested in, I would have had a small fortune by now. So, my request is if you're a young investor and you're starting out for the long term, stay in the market. Don't invest money that you're going to need for anything else soon. Only invest surplus funds and forget about it. Put it away. Don't sell it. Don't withdraw it, no matter what the market does. The market always corrects again, it always goes back up again. So even in a market crash, keep your shares, keep your investments, and stick with it. And you'll be glad when you retire one day, you'll have a fortune to retire with.